Hey, Mike B here. I'm just recording a video to show how I program some of my hero powers and cards. Like not in full detail, I'll be having separate videos for different mechanics and different type of cards that I make. But for now, we're gonna just be doing a hero power called Creator's Emblem, which is a passive, which is at the start of the game with 1 point of K or blue essence in your pool. So just open the database in the Unity project. Then we just go to the hero power table, new record, passive, skills. So if you may have noticed, like instead of using K here, we're going to be doing, it'll be replaced by this little symbol here. To do that, since we're using Text Mesh Pro, you just have to type in sprite name equals U. Okay, still recording because I had it set for equals to stop recording. I didn't know that, so just making sure. In your pool. Apply. Changes. Now let's see if it got in there. Do type book. I didn't spell sprite right. I have a weird problem with the way I type. I type certain words backwards. I don't know why. Right, changes and play. Could be because I put a space there. Yep. Apply. Right, changes. There we go. See? Okay, now we'll program the class itself. So just go to scripts here. Champion abilities, blue, create script, champion ability, blue, emblem, open it up, and then this will be like inherents or polymorphosis of this class here, champ ability. So we just do that, and nope, and copy this stuff because the class itself is serializable, so it could be sent between players. That likes the data wise. So then simply for this one, we just do public override get you return 1. If you just did this with any other, if you didn't edit this at all, it would just return 0, like it does here. This is how I'll be doing most of the other emblems here, like Commonwealth emblem, Mishi emblem, Void emblem, Guardian emblem, etc. Then we have other stuff here, which are like passive abilities, and then the casting itself. I'll show how to make a target and play ability afterwards. Okay. Now we just go to champ ability factory, and you just get the ID here. You type it in, and then voila. So now I'll just send. So what the factory does is, when you get the load the data from the deck XML file, it'll just grab the ability ID and then use this class here to get the data, and then and just returns it, and then it attaches itself to one of the champion ability buttons. You don't really have to worry about it since it's already done. All you have to do is once you program your hero power as you want, just enter it like this. But I would say don't make a new one. Just edit one of these test abilities. That's what I do usually when I'm trying to program something new from the start. I just edit over one of these here. So, okay, now let's see if it works. Should, because I already did something this similar in the test ability. File, build, and run. Two errors. Okay, sorry about that. When I was trying to build, I had an error which I had it in my old version, which I couldn't figure out how to solve for the longest time. But thanks to some debugging, I was able to figure it out. So, yeah, that would have sucked if I had to redo it from scratch all over again for the 6th time. Okay, and I decided to rename it to CA Blue Emblem, not CB. Okay, now we're gonna test it and see what happens. See what happens. It should work, because I already did it in one of the test classes. Yeah, this one will give me a white emblem in the start of the game, and this one will give me a blue. Save, play, make room, reload, edit room. They're both using the same deck, so as you see, we both get blue. Oh, I guess I clicked the wrong one for the white, but yeah. See, one blue emblem in the start of the game. Deck list, edit, and that one. No, should be that one, right? Because passive ability. Little thunder symbol. Make room, reload lobby. Yep, white, white, white and blue, white and blue. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna make a a unit card. With an Awaken ability, and that Awaken ability will be a Scry ability from like Magic the Gathering. Where are you? So yeah, that was the little help page. Unity cards, nature, impulse, knowledge. Creator student. Cost 1, acquires 1 blue essence, stats 02. I'm gonna do it 1-1 actually. Race, human, text ability, Scry, Awaken Scry. So what we're gonna do is cards, new record. Oh, I already have an empty record right here. Okay, delete this record then. Alpha, alpha, unit, common, color, U for blue, U for blue, name, creator student, cost, 1, e-cost, 1 blue. I'm gonna click apply. Stats, 1, skills, null, text, human. Now, pretty much type it like HTML. Awaken, Scry, apply, lore, Lore is pretty much just don't have an image. Can't wait to get some artists. Or I have one, but they'll be doing it on their own free time. Okay, write changes. Now let's look at the card itself. Edit. Blue. Blue. Should be there. Not good. Not good, not good. Did I get an error when I did that? No. Yeah, okay. Oh, it is deck listed. Oh, thought I changed the color to U for blue. Things happen. That hurt. Edit. There it is. Creator student. 1-1. Scry. Okay. Now let's just program its Awaken. Scripts. Awaken. Create folder for blue. And create. Did I already? Nope. Okay, so just call it Awk. See student. Blue. Okay, and public override play. So I just gotta just remember how to do the scry. Just copy paste some old code. Sorry about that. Like I did a test on it before, but I never actually saved what I wrote, so when we play. This was pretty much just one of the. I knew I had to type this, but I was just too lazy to while I'm at it. Okay, scry card, which is literally this thing here. Okay, yeah. Dot get component, scry card. actually, dot set dot game object that's set active to true, because right now it's disabled. Dot game object equals Awaken holder